So today we're going to be doing an Indian hawker favorite. It's called prawn vadai.
Oh,
Right?
okay.
So traditionally this comes from India. Stack it up.
Worry about my safety. That's why he doesn't want me to go all the way. Then I stack it up
Yeah, stack it up.
and then I cut
again. Golden brown.
golden brown. Okay.
So you see? So about more
As
prawns
it
at
is,
all.
with the dough. Okay.
Alright. So I'm going to plate it now.
Okay.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
So it's Instagrammable because now everybody likes to take photos before they want to
Yes, yes.
eat, etc.
Wow.
You know? So you look,
Pro, like pro.
Need to take pictures.
Take pictures.
and
There
then
you go.
some curry leaf. And voila.
This
This
is
is
our
our
Vade
Vade
prawn.